Okay, question 8. So begins the statistics. So, Edna wishes to investigate the energy intake from eating out at restaurants for the households in her village. She wants a sample of 100 households. She has a list of the 2,605 households in the village. Ralph suggests the following selection method. So, number the houses from 0000 to 2604. Obtain 100 different random numbers between 0000 and 2604 and select the corresponding households for inclusion in the sample. Part A asks us what is the population in this investigation. So the population is the total set that you are sampling from. So the population is the 2,605 houses in the village. Part B asks us what is the sampling method suggested by Ralph. So it's not opportunity sampling. That is when you've asked a certain group of people about something and you have another very similar group of people that you could ask about the same thing. So for example, students in a school. If you sampled one class and then you wanted a bigger sample, you could sample another class. It's not random number. It's not continuous random variable. It is, now for some reason, AQA seem to have got their words the wrong way around here. It's not a sample random, it's a random sample. But we'll roll with it. That's the guy that we want.